All right, so if you want to start spot trading on Binance, yeah, this is the exact beginner-friendly way to do it without getting confused. First, log in and go to Trade, then select Spot. Now pick a trading pair, like BTC to USDT or ETH to USDT. This means what you're trading and what you're trading it against. On the screen, you'll see a chart. This shows price movement in real time, so you can decide when to buy or sell. Now choose your order type. Market order means instant buy or sell, and limit order lets you set your own price. Next, enter how much you want to trade. You can use percentage buttons or type the exact amount. Now click buy or sell depending on your strategy. If it's a market order, it executes instantly. After that, you can check your balance in your wallet or open orders section to see what's happening. And that's how you start spot trading on Binance. Start small, learn how price moves, and yeah, always manage your risk before trading. Or